Hey VV Nation, welcome to the channel. Is the Santa rally at risk? So we know that in a couple of days, December 22nd, the Santa rally officially kicks off up until the first couple of days of January. The market's been rocking and rolling and everything's good, but the market is overextended. Just did a video on that recently this week. So with the market being overextended, the Fed said that he's going to cut rates 3 times next year, which has been fueling this rally, which came earlier than the Christmas rally. Is the Christmas rally in or at risk? I'm going to cover that, but let's talk about a couple of things right quick. First thing I want to talk about is what's going on in the market. How do I know that the market is overextended? Folks, we have an indicator called the MTI, or market timing indicator, which is on a VectorVest scaling between 0 and 2. Above 1, actually, it goes beyond just above 1 and below 1. When the MTI hits a level of about 1.5 to 1.6, the market's looking for a top. We're at 1.67 and have been above 1.6 for 5 out of the last 6 trading days. That's abnormal. Okay? Again, the Fed saying what the Fed said in regards fueling this, driving the market higher. A lot of green in our color guards saying it's time to go, 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 go. But we've been letting our subscribers know to be careful, all right? To be careful because the market is at a level of being overextended. But is the risk of the Christmas or Santa rally prevalent? Is it big? By the end of this video, I'm going to answer that question. All right, so with that going on, let's take a look at what's going on in the market. What's the market doing? Well, let's go see. The market's just on a rise. Look at that. The market is just rocking and rolling. Give me the beat, boys, and feel my soul. I want to get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Look at this most recent rally. He's taken out the most recent swing highs in the market. We're looking at the VectorVest composite over the last, 2 years or so. Nice run up in the market, but there's that MTI. Why is that MTI so important? Over the last couple of years, when it gets to that level of being overbought, what does the market do? Boom. Pull back. We got close at 1.5, a little bit of a pullback. The higher we go above 1.5, the deeper the pullback. All right, here we go, deep pullback. And here we are right now. This is proving my case that the Santa rally is at risk. All right, with that being said, I still got more to say about this. Even with that said, let's talk about what stocks I would trade, momentum stocks I would trade currently if the Santa rally does have legs. Go to my viewers tab, Santa rally at risk, but here's my momentum plays. All of them are buys. All of them have RTs above 1. I'm not really concerned about the fundamental analysis behind them right now because I'm really concerned about making sure that they are running up and are buys and have good earnings growth. The only one that doesn't is Riot. You notice that from a crypto perspective, I've got 2 crypto stocks in here. Boeing is just getting orders and people are buying the planes, rocking them higher. Caterpillar building is rock and rolling. And of course, Rolls-Royce also in that aerospace and defense. I think these are 3 or 5, sorry, I can't count today, 5 quality stocks that have momentum. 3 out of the 5 have CIs above 1, but they're all in uptrends in the current market, and they are all buy recommendations. If you went and bought any of these, if any of these stocks move from a buy to a hold, I take it off the table right away, knowing that the market is at a point of looking for a top. All right, so I wanted to touch this up a little bit and take it going into 2024. Let's go back to the graphs. Where does the market look like going in 2024? Here's our earnings trend indicator that we use to determine whether the market is in a bull or bear market. Above the value of 1, we're in a bull market. Inflation is falling. All right, inflation is not at the level that the Fed would like, but it still is falling nonetheless. Interest rates are high, but there's leveling out, and the 50-day moving average of the S&P 500 is rising. Companies are still making money. They may be guiding lower, but they're still making money. My thinking going into 2024 was that it was going to be a poopy year. But if companies are making money, inflation is leveling out relative to where we were back in COVID days or relative to where we were back last year, The job market is strong or resilient. You know, the market may have some legs, whether it's continue to moving up or at least staying stagnant. I think that's where the first half of 2024 is. Before this year is out, or the first trading day in January of 2024, I'm going to give you my 10 best stocks going into 2024. We'll see how that looks out. So, is the Santa rally at risk? My answer to that question is yes. Another story that's going on is oil. Oil is going to be delayed based upon restrictions or boats pulling out of the seas dealing with the war with Israel and Hamas. Man, there's a lot of stuff going on. I think that the Santa rally is at risk. We'll see. You know, I can either be 50% right or 50% wrong. We'll see. I think there's a lot of geopolitical things going on. But with that being said, I've given you my 5 stocks to take advantage of if the Santa rally has legs. But wait, there's more. In case this does fall the opposite direction, I got some contras that I want you to take a look at. All right, I'm going to have you prepared for either way. Gold, be very careful with that. Very volatile stock, but it's on the rise. I would short the VIX. I would look at Yang, the short side of China, and JP Morgan. Interesting, ultra short. What I like about this one specifically, let's go view the stock graph as a contra. What I really like about this one as a contra, go to 3 month. Watch this. This company, this fund pays monthly dividends, and it's a short. I like this. I like this. Notice that these are going up even on the days where we have a mixed market day. I want you to keep your eyes on these contras. All right. So if the rally does have legs, there's my stocks for you, my momentum plays for if the market does have legs. But if not, I want you to be prepared on the bearish side as well. And I've got a few contras for you to keep your eyes on. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, we want you to start 2024 on the best foot possible. So we're going to have our flagship 2-day seminar in Tampa on January 5th and 6th of 2024. And I'm inviting you to our live stream event right here, right now. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/stream to register. What are you going to get? Well, we're going to show you how to triple your fixed income investing. 3 times more. And then we're going to show you a blockbuster ETF strategy that will just really blow your mind. What else do you get for showing up for the live event? You get full access to the broadcast. You get world-class stock education. You get a digital copy of the course. You get a $100 voucher for any VectorVest coaching group, and we've got prizes and drawings for over $2,500. Folks, you want to register and do it right now.